Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home. Dear students, myself Jyoti Yadgudi and I will be handling the science subject for your class. Yes dear students, welcome back to the science class for the academic year 2021 and 22. Yes dear students, already you all are having the Cambridge textbook. Yes, okay, in this you all are having all the subject. Okay, from page number 203 onwards, your science syllabus will begin. Page number 203. Okay, the science subject chapters will begin here. Okay, here it is the index part. Yes, you all are having total how many lessons? You are having totally 6 lessons for your first semester. Yes, it is a semester wise book. In your first semester book, you are having total 6 lessons. Okay, all these 6 lessons we are studying in a first semester. Let us see the introduction. Today in this video class, just I will be giving the introduction of all the 6 lessons here. Okay, so watch the video carefully. So dear students, here is the first lesson. The first lesson name is More About Plants. What is the first lesson name? The first lesson name is More About Plants. Dear students, in this lesson we will study the different ways by which the plants will reproduce. Okay, how the plants are reproducing, nothing but how they are giving birth to young ones. Okay, how the young plants are growing, reproduction. Okay, the different ways by which the plants reproduce, and even we will study about the seed structure. Okay, about the different types of seeds and their structure we will study in this lesson. And again we will understand the different methods of seed dispersal. There are different methods of seed dispersal that also we will study in this lesson. And even the different stages of agriculture also we are going to study in the first lesson. This is all about your first lesson, that is more about plants. The next lesson name is here Animals and their adaptation. What is the name of the second lesson? Animals and their adaptation. Dear students, in this lesson we will study about the body parts involved in the movement of animals. Okay, what are the body parts which are involved in the movement of the animals here, and even the about migration, nothing but moving from one place to the another place. Again we are going to learn here the different ways of breathing and the breathing organs in different animals. Yes, as a human beings even we are breathing. Same way even the animals are also having the breathing process, and even they are having a breathing organs. Okay, in the all the animals there are different ways of breathing organs are there, that we will study in this second lesson. Again we will study the various kinds of body converging in the animals also we are studying in the second lesson. The third lesson name here is skeletal and muscular system. Yes, you all are very familiar with this lesson, skeletal and muscular system. You have already learned, yes, about your body parts. Okay, but here in your third lesson you will study about the skeletal and the muscular system, nothing but it is related to the skeletal system, human skeletal system. The whole parts of the human skeletal system we will study in the third lesson. Again we are having in this lesson the different various types of joints in our body. Okay, there are various joints in our body, that also we are going to study in this third chapter. Okay, next the fourth chapter name is here nervous system. Here it is nothing but the nervous system. Again here we are going to study about the structure of the nervous system. Okay, and we will study about the function, what are the functions of the nervous system. Here structure and its function of the nervous system we are studying, and even the importance of a sense of organs. You have already learnt in your previous classes the 5 sense of organs. Okay, then what is the importance of those sense of organs we are going to study in this fourth chapter. The next chapter name is good health. Yes, one of the general topic it is, yes, As you all know that we have to maintain our health in a proper and well manner. Here we will study about the nutrients, the types of the nutrients, and again we will study here about the balanced diet. That all we are going to study in this lesson, and even the types of diseases and some of the diseases like a communicable and non-communicable diseases. Those all things we are going to study in this 5th lesson. Last lesson is safety and first aid. Yes, dear student, this is also one of the very common lesson. Okay, here in this lesson we will study what is a first aid and its important. Why we have to take the first aid. Okay, again we will study here the steps to be followed in a various accidents and the emergency situations. What the steps we have to take when a sudden accident or any emergency situations are there. Okay, these all the things we are going to study in this lesson, safety and first aid, which is very important chapter. So for your first semester totally you are having a 6 chapters. Okay, again we will study all these lessons in detail in the coming videos. So what you have to do, you have to watch the video properly, and even you have to read the lesson, okay, day by day. If the part 1 video is sent, you have to see the video and you have even read the science lesson. Reading of a lesson is very important in a science subject, remember. Okay, if I taught any concept, any one concept, so what you have to do, you have to open your textbook, you have to read that concept, and you have to find out the difficult words, and you have to practice those difficult words, and even the meaning also. If you are not understanding any meaning also, you can contact me or you can search the dictionary or anything. So reading of the lesson is very important in a science subject. Okay, so daily what you have to do, whenever we will upload the video, you have to watch the video properly. Okay, whatever the taught things will be there, you have to make a points in your rough book or any one page. Okay, so make a points in your rough book or any one book you make. Okay, so in that you can note down the important points. Okay, important definitions also. Some of the important definitions will be there in a science, and even the examples, some of the difficult words, those all things you can practice in that book. And for the fair book purpose, you have to maintain one separate 200 pages booking size. In that fair book only you have to write the exercise part. Leaving that, no need to write anything in that book. So dear students, follow all these steps and maintain your science fair book clean and neat. In the next video class, we will begin with the first lesson, that is more about plants. Till that, have a nice day dear students. Thank you. Bye.